Greetings, Empress.
Good morning, sir. How may I help you?
You know, so I come to look a visa to go open a foreign there. Yeah, man.
May I have your name, please?
Rasafa, Abdullah, Abidilo, Jafete, Bingiai. You know, so the I, last name, harder than the first name.
Wow. Can I have your last name?
Brown.
Do you have any assets to declare?
Yes, I have 3-acre farm with enough weed. And I have 3 bags of coke. And I have a lunch bag with some police button and a boom.
Sir, I need you to come with me.
Well, what me do? What did I do? What happened? What did I do? What did I do?
I
What
need to take
happened?
you to show me these assets.
What happened? What did I do?
Sir, calm down. I need you to take me to show me these assets.
Then not that the I say, brother. I that the I say. I that the I say. Yes, I. See the 3-acre. 3-acre.
So many weed.
Yeah, man, me have the weed there, man. Me have guinea hen, you know, Sorosy, Leaf of Life, you know what I mean, Jack in the bush, the whole of them there.
Yeah, waste my time.
Whole of bush there. Whole of bush there. See them there. Yeah, man, whole of bush there, man.
So we cook?
Yeah, man, me can bring you to make you see the coke, man. Me can bring you to make you
Go and show me where you cook.
Me can bring you to the coke, man. No problem. See that? 1 box of coke. 1 box of coke.
Yeah, open it now.
Me never know say I thirsty.
What is this?
Yeah, man, coke. Coke, my brother.
Where the boom on the police button? Let me slack.
Hold on there, Rasta. Hold on there. Yes, I. Yeah, man, you there, man. Yeah, man, the boom there.
What is this?
Boom there, and the police button them there, so you know.
Yo,
Police button there.
I waste my time.
I no waste time, eh? I come to get visa. I come to get visa and interrogate me on a serious note, brother. I no work that way there, I.